Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add subscribers to Mailgun via Fluent Form submissions automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So Fluent Forms is a form building software application and it is a plugin of WordPress, and Mailgun is an email marketing platform. So the idea here is that you have created a subscriber form using your Fluent Forms account and you have embedded that form on a website to get the form filled. Now you want that whenever any of your customer fills that subscriber form, automatically using the details of the form submission, a new subscriber should get added to your Mailgun mailing list so that you can send your business offers and promotions to the customers as and when you are creating the email promotions and the campaigns. For this, we need to create a connection between Fluent Forms and Mailgun. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So in this particular integration, we are using Fluent Forms to create the forms. So in place of Fluent Forms, you can also use Contact Form 7, Google Forms, Paperform or any other form building software application. And in place of Mailgun, we can also use MailChimp, MailerLite, MailerCloud or any other email marketing platform. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen.
Welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Fluent Forms to Mailgun integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add the contacts or the subscribers to our Mailgun subscriber list on the Fluent Form submissions. So open this trigger window, choose the application name as Fluent Forms. Select the trigger event as new form submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Fluent Forms specific form. So I'll just copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to my WordPress dashboard. Here when we scroll down, we can find Fluent Forms option. But if you can't find it, you have to just install the plugin from your WordPress account over here. Okay. Now as you can see that I have the Fluent Forms option here, I'm just going to open the forms which I have already created in my account. And I have created the subscriber form, integration request form, report issue form and various other forms also. So we are going to access this subscriber form for this particular automation. Let's open it. And here I'm just taking the basic fields of the customer, that is first name, last name and the email address. If you want to add some more fields, you can add it from here and you can just create your form as per your requirement. And once you have created the form, you have to just click on this save form and here you can find the short link of the form. So you can use this particular link to embed the form on a website. Okay. So I have already embedded this short link on my WordPress web page over here. Okay. So we will be moving to this form after some time. First, we are going to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect. So that whenever the customer is going to fill the form, automatically the details will be captured in Pabbly Connect. For that, scroll down and come to the settings option. Click on settings and click on WP Webhooks. And here we have to just click on send data option. And here we have to select the available webhook triggers. Okay. So let's scroll down, come to Fluent Forms and select the form submitted over here. And now we are going to create a new webhook over here. by clicking on this add webhook URL button. Simply click on it. Now here we have to give a name to the webhook. So let us give it as Mailgun Integration. And here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and click on add for Fluent Form submitted. Okay, and let's scroll down, and here we can find that the webhook has been set over here. Now we have to click on these 3 dots and click on settings option. And here we have to select on the triggered form. Select only the forms you want to fire the trigger on. You can also choose multiple ones. If none is selected, all are triggered. So I want to collect the responses from subscriber form to create the integration. So I'm selecting my form name from here, and here I'll be clicking on save settings. Settings saved. Let's close this window. We have to move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the subscriber form. So let's fill in the details over here. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com, and let's click on submit form. Thank you for your message. We will get in touch with you shortly. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer through the form submission are captured over here. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, and his email address. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new subscriber should get added to your Mailgun subscriber list. For that, come to this action step. Choose the application name as Mailgun. Select the action event as new mailing list member. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key, private API key, Mailgun host, and the domain name. So for the API key, we have to simply type A, P, and I over here. Okay. And for private API key, we have to go to the private API key, log into account settings, and move to the security option in Mailgun. So I'll just click on security. We will be redirected to our Mailgun dashboard over here. Okay. And we will be redirected to the account security sections over here. And here we can find the private API key. So I'm just going to copy this key from here, and I'll be pasting the same API key over here. Okay. Now here we have to give the Mailgun host. So as we belongs to US region, this is my Mailgun host. So I'll be pasting the same over here. You have to paste your Mailgun host over here. And here we have to give the domain name. So let us read the instructions. The domain name to use from the list of domains in Mailgun. Okay, so I'll just click on domains. And here I'll just open it. I'll copy. And I'll be pasting the same domain name over here in Pabbly Connect. And let's click on save. Okay, I'll just close this extra windows from here. Okay. And now Mailgun account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the list name. So I'll take you to my Mailgun account once again. We'll move to the sending option, and I'll just move to the list options over here. That is the mailing list. And here you can see that I have created several mailing lists over here. So now I want to add all my subscribers to this Fluent mailing list. Okay. So we have to select the same list name over here in Pabbly Connect. So as we have created a connection, here we can find all the list name. So here let us select the Fluent form. Okay, the same list which we have created here, named Fluent form. And here you can see that I have just 2 subscribers in this particular mailing list. Okay, so we will be adding the subscribers to this mailing list now. Now it is asking for the address, email address, and the subscriber name. So we have already got these details from the Fluent form submission. So we will be mapping these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. First, let us map the email address from Fluent forms. And if you want to update it, you can select it as per your requirement. I'm just keeping it as no in my case. And let us map the member name. That was Adam Smith. As well as the last name also. That was Smith. Okay. And let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. And in the message we can see that the mailing list member has been created. Okay. So let us check our Mailgun mailing list. We have to refresh it. Okay, and now here we can see that we have 3 recipients over here, and Adam Smith is added as a new subscriber to our Mailgun mailing list. And in this way, our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now, as we have created an automation between Fluent Forms and Mailgun, next time whenever any of your customers is going to fill the form, that is your Fluent form, automatically the details will be captured and a new subscriber will get added to your Mailgun mailing list. So let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my subscriber form once again and I'll just open the form so that we can fill in the details on the name of some other customer. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com, and let's click on submit form. Thank you for your message. We will get in touch with you shortly. So the form has been filled. Now let us check our Mailgun mailing list. We have to refresh it once again. Okay, let's scroll down and now we can see we have 4 recipients to this mailing list. Okay, and here we can find that Shikha Arya is added as a new subscriber to this particular mailing list. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Fluent Forms and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using the details of the customer, automatically a new mailing list member was added to your Mailgun mailing list. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Fluent Forms and Mailgun using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.